What's going on? So in this video, we want to talk to you about maybe like some people's favorite topic, but it could be considered a boring topic. But I think it's really, really cool because knowledge storage, or the knowledge library, as they call it in CloseBot V2, got a massive, massive upgrade, and something Charles has been like asking for I would say years, but it's only been around like a year or so. So take it away. What is new in knowledge library? How do we use this thing?
Of course, yeah. So first off, we're going to be in the knowledge library over here on the left-hand side. However, it's going to turn blue. You're going to see I have a couple things inside of here. So one of the biggest updates, and my favorite thing, is the web scraping. So now we can obviously pull in a URL. So I'll just put, www, whatever, put in a random URL, right? ++.com.
Hey, put some respect on it. Spell it right.
I'm so sorry. www.++.com. Oh, invalid. What is the?
Oh, you may have to have HTTP.
Okay. HTTPS
://www.
What's a colon? This?
Yeah. //
//www.
Yep. There you go. Boom.
Boom. All right. So you can see how many links within a given page you're actually going to scrape. So let's just do one here. And how many page layers you want this to actually scrape as well. So let's just do one. So you can go for links, what it'll look like for links. Also, how many layers deep are you going to click on? What pages is it also going to look like? You can calculate the file size, and then we're just going to click confirm. Once we click confirm here, that's going to populate over here on the left-hand side. You're going to see it right here, web scrape. So obviously it's 0 bytes. It's not even a real website, as you can see. But
I mean, it's a real website. Calm down. What do you think got going on in there?
Nothing really on it. But in that regards, the cool thing about it is if we had a bunch of information, if we were always updating information on this page, every 24 hours, this is going to get updated. So we're going to be able to dynamically be pulling information from our knowledge library. And this is brand new. So let's just say, for instance, we were working with a dealership and their inventory was changing every other day because cars are getting sold. Every 24 hours, the inventory website that we're scraping is getting updated. So the bot has proper awareness of what cars are available and which ones got sold.
You know what I was thinking? Like a good use case for us is how we're doing like these events or even webinars, and like if it's a nightly thing and the date's changing or the topics change, how this could automatically just go based on what we changed in the oh my gosh, this is amazing.
So obviously that's the web scraping. That's probably my biggest thing, and I'm super excited about that because that's going to change the game for dynamically pulling information. And basically,
hey there, first off, I wanted to personally thank you for watching a video on our channel. It means a lot to us that you want to learn from us, and we promise to always deliver for you. Now, one, I don't know if you know, but we have a free community called Bot Launch where you can watch all of these videos interruption or ad free. Plus, there's a lot more on building and selling AI, as we've been teaching and doing this stuff for over a year and a half. Now, second, we are in the midst of our crazy CloseBot V2 launch offer. Now, what that means is we have a crazy affiliate offer if you use our affiliate code to get a paid plan with CloseBot, and we're giving you a bunch of crazy bonuses, including 18 pre-built bot templates, plus a funnel built by Russell Brunson's personal funnel designer that you get to use for your business. And that's included in our affiliate offer just for getting a paid plan with CloseBot V2. So the link is in the description if you want to learn more. I won't take any more of your time, and I appreciate you watching our training. Now back to it.
The bot having the proper information for new businesses if stuff is changing for pricing, et cetera, et cetera. So that being said, obviously we're going to have the file upload. So if you wanted to upload files, you absolutely can upload files, change the name of them as well. You can create text files as well. Uploading files, CSV file. You have a bunch of SKUs and like your data really isn't changing. And let's just say it's a bunch of parts and you have, a list of 400 parts and you have the part number, the price, the name of it, a description. Create a CSV file of that. You can upload that and the bot will understand and be able to read that CSV file and pull in and answer questions about these parts. Really, really important. And we can create a text file. So a text file could be like frequently asked questions. So if we had a frequently asked questions list, if, for instance, what we do in our onboarding form, we ask, hey, what are some frequently asked questions that you get and what are the answers to those frequently asked questions? Come in here, FAQ for detail box, and then we just list, question 1, question, and then answer, right? And so you could go through, copy and paste that whole frequently asked questions list inside of here.
Expert tip, like if you do have an onboarding questionnaire that is pulling this information in, you could literally copy and paste it, put it in here. You could also copy and paste it in a ChatGPT and have it formatted in a smooth way for a FAQ sheet and then upload that to make it even more streamlined.
Yeah, and then as you can see, I've used 1.6 megabytes, and depending on your plan, you will have different amounts of knowledge storage that you can actually upload in here. And we can also search. So if you once you have a bunch of clients, which we hope you get, you'll be able to search your knowledge storage, and you can change the names here. We click three dots. You can slide over. We're going to see three dots, file info, edit sources, edit, preview, download, et cetera, et cetera. And also another huge thing real quick is you can actually edit
Yeah.
edit the source, which is so awesome. We can change the source. You previously couldn't do that in V2 or V1. You couldn't change what we were on. Can I move this? Oh, perfect. There you go. You couldn't edit what was actually being inputted in here. So for instance, we're here. I can click edit. And then I can go into this page and click and edit this and then re-upload it.
Prove it.
Yes.
Prove it.
Yes. So let's just add this. Whatever. Where am I typing? Down
there.
There
It goes.
Don't
save it. Don't save it. Nah.
Click save it.
Now our bot's jacked up.
Boom. Right. And so now I just added more information to that one storage, that one this one specific knowledge that I'm adding to a specific bot. And you can obviously source it. Man, that's actually on top of the web scraping, that is huge, because previously you had to download it, do a bunch of extra stuff. Now we can just change and edit information just like that. And you can also change it by type, filter off by documents. You can, obviously filter off by spreadsheets if you have spreadsheets, by notes if you have notes.
Once you start using this a lot, like you start uploading a lot of stuff, clients, etc. It'll get a little bit messy, and that's what all this, segmentation is for. Yeah. So keep it a little less messy and make it easier to find things.
Yeah, but again, that's really, really huge. It's pretty much super similar. The two main things to look at, the two key features are being able to edit and then being able to web scrape every 24 hours and upload dynamic data to your bot so it understands different pricing structure, different inventory, et cetera, et cetera. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.